ladies. I'll be your host for today. And warm welcome to each and every one of you as we gather here at the launch of Merienda All You Can at Winford Cafe. Very nice to see you all again. And this special promotion is Winford Resort and Casino Manila's way of celebrating the festive season with you, starting today, November 25th, and running through December 31st. You can indulge in a delightful selection of your favorite Filipino snacks at our holiday buffet. Available every Monday to Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., the buffet is perfect for making the holiday season even more special. So make sure you think of a friend or maybe your family members, bring them over here and enjoy this special buffet. For reservations and more details, please visit Winford Manila's social media pages.
Takbo mo naman sa taas. Galing ka sa taas. Ice cream. Ay, yes po. So, pa-assist naman. Sabi ko sa'yo. Sige, kukuha na lang ako nito. Pero gusto ko kasi ng bilo. Binubuha na lang. Bilo-bilo. Ate, gusto mo?
Kami ganito lang.
Lights of the cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, holly come racing the sun. Oh, the ring while people sing songs of the cheer. Christmas is here.
naglalab ako 5K. Hindi ko araw-araw. Hindi ko araw-araw.
One seems to hear words of the cheer from everywhere, feeling the air. Oh, they come praising the sun. Oh, let the talent in the ring while people sing songs of the cheer. Christmas is sweet. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. For the King on Bethlehem's plain, all light brings to crown him again. King forever ceasing, never over us all to reign. Bigas lumalabas na ulan, ngunit ang bayan ay butas tumatakbo ng madulas mga pinuhay. Sila lang ang nakikita mo, pero tayo ang magkas sa mga kabayan ang tinayong ilipan. Lumalabas para pupunta ng ibang bansa at tutunod na nakabahin para lang ang magkakayo na muli ang bayan na iipunin para magamit ang tubig. Dahil dun sa ating mahirap makuha ang puri mabayaran at tsokolate ang matamis na ngiti ng anak na di halos na kilala ang ama o ina na wala sa tingkaarawan nila. Darating kaya ang araw na ito'y mag-iiba kung hindi ka sigurado mag-isip sa pagkaraan.
Next to me, I have Chef Fatima. Hi, Chef. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good naman po. I think everyone is very excited. Ano po yung dessert na you will demonstrate?
Actually, it's caramelized banana with our very own Savannah rum with vanilla ice cream.
Savannah rum with
Yes.
vanilla ice cream. Oh my God, I'm
Yes.
excited.
Great.
I'm ready. Ready. Oh, wow. Very nice presentation. Chef, do you want to tell us more a bit about this dessert?
Actually, naisip ko lang siya because it's Filipino and it's dahil tayong Filipino ay mahilig sa matamis at malamig. So, ito ang aking naisip, turones na may kasamang vanilla ice cream.
Turong itself is already